Hey, what's up guys, it's Theyo from Theyo Concept, and this is the review of the Nikon CoolPix L20 camera. Is it any good? Well, let's find out then. Now, of course, this is an ancient old camera, so there's no way I'm going to be recommending it to someone in this day and age. But the point of this video is to let you guys know that you can pick any item and make an interesting review about it. With that mentioned, I have a huge announcement to make. I have been creating something and it has taken me about a year to accomplish it. So stick to the end of this video to find out more. First things first, let's talk about the design of the Nikon CoolPix L20 camera. It is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go photography. Its plastic construction might not scream premium, but it feels steady enough to withstand everyday use. The camera fits comfortably in the hands with intuitive button placement for easy access to essential controls. Mind you, it's quite small that even my 5-inch smartphone is larger in that regard. This makes it super easy to stick in your pocket and retrieve it when needed. Besides the smaller size, it weighs 4.8 ounces or 135 grams. At the front is where the optical zoom lens is, the flash, autofocus LED, speaker and microphone. To the left is a USB connector and the hand strap. The top houses the on or off button, the shutter button, the playback and photo or video switch button. At the bottom is where we slot in the dual AA batteries, the SD card, and a 1/4-inch threaded hole for mounting other accessories. The screen at the front features a 3-inch TFT LCD monitor with a resolution of 230,000 dots. The screen isn't touch sensitive, so all navigations will have to be done with the buttons on the back of the camera. One of the standard features of the L20 is its simplicity. It is designed with beginners in mind, featuring easy to navigate menus and a whole range of automatic modes. So if you are just starting out with photography, this camera is a great companion to learn with. One interesting thing about the Nikon CoolPix L20 is the 3.6 times optical zoom lens. With an aperture range of 3.1 to 6.7, it provides decent versatility for capturing a variety of scenes. While it's not the most powerful zoom out there, it gets the job done for casual shooting with minimal distortion. Moving on to performance, the CoolPix L20 boasts of a 10 megapixel 1/2.3-inch sensor, which delivers decent image quality for the price range. Colors are vibrant and details are satisfactory in well-lit conditions. With an image size of 3648 by 2736 pixels, photos taken on the L20 can be printed out as high as 16 by 20 inches. However, when it comes to low light situations, that is where this camera struggles a lot. But given the price range, it is forgivable. It also comes with a flash, and this is an image taken without the flash on, and this is an image taken with the flash on. I also took the liberty of comparing it to my Nikon Z5, and I took a picture of this sign right where I was standing. Now with the Nikon CoolPix, you can zoom in from a very far distance, and this is me comparing that to the Nikon Z5 35mm f1.8 from a zoomed in shot as well. The camera also features an auto ISO sensitivity that ranges from ISO 64 to 1600. Despite its limitations, the L20 performs admirable for casual snapshots and everyday shooting. The camera supports SDHC up to 32 gigs of storage. I tried using one of my 64 gigs SD cards on it and it came out as unsupported card. I ran into the same issue with my GoPro Hero 2 because it is older. The maximum storage is 32 gigs. When it comes to video recording, the L20 shoots in VGA resolution, that is 640 by 480 at 30 frames per second. This may not impress a lot of videographers out there, but it's sufficient for capturing quick shots for social media and family gatherings. It has some sort of digital image stabilization via motion detection, but it isn't good enough to stabilize extremely shaky shots. So here I'm testing out the audio and the video quality. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot better when I'm somewhere around here. So yeah, this is what you are going to get if you are going to be vlogging or something like this. For indoor shots, it's definitely not going to be as great as those of the outdoor shots. But let me know what you think about this as well. Battery life is another area the CoolPix L20 also holds its ground. With a pair of AA batteries, you can expect to shoot around 200 shots, which is pretty impressive for a camera at this price range. Plus the convenience of using readily available batteries. If one dies off, you can easily grab the other one and just start shooting again right there and then. Now let's address the elephant in the room, and that is the lack of advanced features. Now you may have guessed the L20 doesn't offer any form of advanced controls or manual shooting modes. And this might be a bit disappointing to most of you guys who are interested in getting more creative shots. While it is ideal for casual shoots, this may not be the one for people looking for professional level image quality. In conclusion, the Nikon CoolPix L20 is a solid entry-level compact camera that offers a good value for money. It is simple to use, delivers decent image quality, and comes in an affordable price point. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of high-end cameras, for casual shooters and people beginning with photography, this is something you can consider. So about the announcement, well, this entire video is the final output of a course I just released, Becoming a Product Reviewer on YouTube. And in the course, I go over how to set up a YouTube account. I talk about how to make videos for YouTube. I go through the process of acquiring products for reviews, how I set up for recording, the lights, the camera, the lenses I use, how I edit my videos from start to finish, basically anything you need to know about making content and eventually making money on YouTube. So click on the first link in the description below to get started. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more of our videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theyo from Nikon Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.